Yes, we are back at Siagat Valley, Pune, Maharashtra. A cloudy weather here in Pune. Sunday, 1st December 2024. A Nawab butterfly in front of me. See, it's just hovering here. See, it has come back here. A Nawab butterfly from the nymphalid family. How beautiful it is. A pista color butterfly. Yeah. See, it's walking. A beautiful butterfly from the nymphalid family. Nawab, Indian Nawab. It's mud puddling here. See how beautiful it is. The Indian Nawab from the nymphalid family. Brush-footed butterflies. I'll just try to go a bit closer. Let's see if it allows me to come closer. Yes, a beautiful